Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I want to thank you for tuning in. So today what I'm going to show you is my take on the Juvia's Place foundation, their eyeshadow, and also their highlighter. Eyeshadow, highlighter, foundation. Now, really what sparked me to want to do a review and a video on Juvia's Place is the fact that I've been following them for a while and really enjoying how other people have viewed their products. So when they came out with their new foundation collection a couple months ago, I got excited. For me, it's because throughout my life, you always dealt with other brands and you had a hard time finding your color or your shade as a dark-skinned woman. So I found it to be beautiful that they made it super duper inclusive for people of all shades. So this is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation Collection. And I'm going to read to you what it says. It says, our formulas are designed to provide people of all skin tones an ultra-rich, highly pigmented beauty experience like none other. And I will say, it is super duper pigmented. First of all, I want to start with the fact that I like to match myself when I go, so I like to go to the store. I am an online shopper, so had I known my color, I would have just went online and shopped and got what I needed, but I didn't know. So I went to my local Ulta. The one that was closest to me didn't even have the collection, which was super upsetting. So then I went about 25 minutes away from where I live and I found another Ulta, and I was really unhappy with the way that I was treated in the store because no one even bothered to try to help me or ask, oh, is there anything that you need, blah, blah, blah. It's just more about customer service, even if I didn't need help. So I went ahead, I matched myself. They did have foundations, but they didn't have everything. But I mean, they had all of the testers, so I got to match myself. And luckily, I got the Kenya 200, which is great. It matches perfectly. For me, it is a little red, but it still does match. So I love it. But back to the store. So they didn't even have the concealers. They said, oh, we don't have that part of the collection. So I kind of had to pick and choose from what they had. So I got the eyeshadow palette, and then I got the new highlighter, the volume 2 collection. It's fine. So at least I know my color, at least I know, and on the website, Juvia's Place does a really good job of showing you which concealers will match. So I can go online and buy a concealer that will match perfectly for my color. But in the meantime, I just kind of used what I had. But, all right, about this collection, right? So I just want to go ahead and say, I love it. It's super pigmented to the point where, and it's matte, it's thick. You don't even need a lot. I feel like in the video, I'll show you when we go ahead and show you, I definitely put more, I put on what I would usually put on for any other brand. And when I was doing it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's really thick. I may have to take some off. But when I was going through it, I'm like, all right. I'm like, yeah, this is, girl, yes, this is nice. I like it. I love it, to be honest with you. I think Juvia's Place did an awesome job with planning and really just implementing everything that they felt that they needed to in this brand and in this foundation and in this collection. So I just want to shout out to Juvia's Place. I want to say thank you because you really just did make my entire life. I mean, you just set my entire life. And I don't think I will go back to any other brands. So let's go ahead and show you. So, as you can see, I'm distributing the foundation on my face. And what I didn't realize is it's unlike any other foundation I've ever used. And it's really thick. So, less is definitely more in this case. I did not, and I repeat, did not need to use this much on my face. But it was my first time ever using it. And here it goes. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I love you so, so much. Be sure to go and subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know how you loved it or didn't. And I will continue to give you more videos. Bye-bye.